Good morning, Blue Devils, and welcome to Puppet Masters, the hottest news show about your Varina teachers.
Moods are lifting around campus as temperatures have risen, and we've started to wrap up the year.
And with those rising spirits comes gossip, and I've heard some pretty wild stories about our teachers.
Stories that show there's something far more to our teachers than our day jobs.
Yeah, like how Miss Boyd is an absolute menace to society, let me tell y'all. So, I heard a story one time at a Metallica concert in the mosh pit, and her shoe fell off and she never found it again. But later on, this is the more important part.
A shoe? A shoe?
Yeah, but Miss Boyd was in the mosh pit of a Metallica concert.
Why?
Because she's a menace to society. Let me fit. Okay.
But Miss Boyd's the sweetest.
I just heard from a friend of a friend.
Okay, so it's a lie. Miss Boyd probably wandered into like a nice Christian concert one time and everybody was like, he started punching people.
It's not a lie. I promise you that.
It is a lie.
It is not a lie.
On a more interesting note, Mr. Willoughby got trapped with a ghost.
Ghosts aren't even real. So you just...
Ghosts are real. See, he was on Mount Fuji, right? And they ran out of supplies because it was
Yeah.
stolen by an angry badger. So they had to stay the night because it was raining. They stayed the night in an old cabin in the woods. As Willoughby is, he thinks nothing of it and goes in the house, right, with his friends.
The way you're ASMRing this tells me it's not real.
Please, it's adding weight to it. And when they wake up, nothing happens.
Wait, nothing happened. Okay, so the whole story, nothing happened.
Nothing happened?
The story's not over. But when they come back down that mountain, when they go back down the mountain, the cabin is gone. It's just a pile of wood on the ground, right?
Why was Willoughby in Fiji in the first place? Sounds like we're just finding the most fantastical setting to put the most boring man.
He lived there for a few years, I'm fairly certain.
Fairly?
He told me.
He told you, or again, his neighbors, local police officers, cousins.
Y'all's stories are clearly fake, okay? None of y'all can compare this true, legit story from Mr. Davy that how he got trapped on a boat in China and kidnapped by a Chinese leader.
What are you talking about?
Now, what happened was that we had changed $100 bills. We made his head bigger, but China didn't know that. So he got held hostage by a shotgun.
The shotgun held him captive.
Just so we're clear, the most fantastical part of the story is the fact that there's a walking, talking shotgun.
Mr. Davy was literally held hostage until he called his boss.
So you're making up a completely nonsensical story about David, and then you have not even a good ending. It's just he called his boss, and then everything got sorted ending.
No!
That's really lame.
What is happening with any of these stories? Like,
These are all true stories.
okay, all true stories about my friend of a friend of a friend of an uncle. Of
I
a
got mine
sister.
from
Your,
Davey.
your story is not true at all. I'm not even going to entertain the idea that there's a walking, talking shotgun. And I'm not going to entertain the idea that Willoughby could even afford to go to Fuji.
Well, we don't know the real details. It could have happened in his sleep.
All of this happened in you guys' sleep. I don't know why you came here today and decided to give me a dream sharing.
I don't dream
So
about
anyway, the
Willoughby a lot.
weather today will be actually pleasantly warm. We're getting into spring. It'll be very sunny. Hi, I'm Ace, the editor for Puppet Masters, and next up is Campus Cypher.
Let's go. Alright, let's go. I go to the beach. What is you on? How's you feeling?
Alright,
Let's go.
I go to the V, notify to the live, and blue on the bliss, it hun, the gas, y'all lock it, the woman, you know it ain't wise. You running me in spring, try to say live. JR in the corner, he shooting from D, got a test in the morning. I need some sleep, spring break coming up, we don't go to the beach, no Jason a lot when it comes to the meat. Can't forward with the ball here, a lot to get 10. Try to pass on the V like I'm not dead, and 2 losses in states, they don't come back and spin with some smooth as school, trying to hang with the men. If one at the play, he gon' get him a double. Or Dale got the ball, then you know he was choke. Jay Perk get strong, he begin some must shot, rise for speedy, you probably in trouble. Trey J from the south, my cousin gon' score, shot back on the track, know he feeling for more. Y'all still on the court, know we still trying to go, no teasing the girls gon' put on the show. Heard of a Lisa, slick up before, got a test me, Josh, I ain't even know. I'm working with Craig, got my whole body, so I've been knocking for hours, rolls open the door. Talking to shot while you ain't in the class, always in the corner, we off in the past, ain't trying to race now, no shot too fast, to be #1, we ain't coming to last. Shot at the L, trying to get us to school, but read you a book, got me feeling like you a little tank, gon' dive, do laps in the pool. Think you stopping the V, then you probably a fool.